Hello, this is Barry McCormick again. Welcome to our series on the BastilleBSD commands. Today we're going to talk about the command CMD. If you notice on the screen, I have the documentation pulled up. An example of it in the documentation shows a command doing PSAUXW, showing what the running processes in a jail is. If you look down below, here's the help file. Bastille, the command, any options, target command. All dash, like most of them, dash auto starts and stops the jail if required. Dash X is a debug, so you see more details when you're trying to figure out what went wrong. Very handy if you want to run something in a jail and don't want to have to console into it. So let's see what jails I got running. Okay, let's do Bastille command. Hit enter and you see again what you get with the help. Bastille command. I'm going to do test 1. Let's do there's the running processes in test 1. So I didn't have to log into it, just run the command. Let's say I wanted to get, what's an ETC? There's the directory ETC. Let's say I was wanting to see no such directory in test 1. So, as you can see from this, you can very quickly run commands and see what's going on in the jail without having to log into it. You can also, obviously you can Bastille console in and run the same commands. And you'll notice that this looks identical to what was run up above. 1794 processes is the same. So again, the command or CMD gives you a quick, easy way to run a command in a jail to test and see what's going on. Hopefully this has been informative. Happy computing.